Two different ways to change the watch faces on your watch. Now, one is from the phone using the wearable app, and the other way is through the watch face directly. Let's start with how to change the watch face right from the watch. Long press on the home screen for 1 second, it'll bring up this menu. Now, you can swipe to the left and tap the plus, and this will bring you to your watch menu where you can scroll through and see all the watches that are preloaded already on the watch or watch faces. So we just scroll through here, and as you see one you like, we'll stop and then we can select it. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. This is one of my favorite watch faces right here. So we've selected it. If I just tap on the watch face, boom, this becomes the new watch face. Now, what if you want to customize it? Well, long press on the watch face and tap on customize. Now, this is showing you that you can swipe left and right and up and down to basically make different customizations. So first, if I just swipe around the bezel like this, I can change the color combination or the color pattern. And this is one of my favorites right here. Next, I can swipe left and go to the compilation, which is what data is going to be shown on the right here, and I can tap. And here I can go through and set a specific piece of data I would like to see when I look at my watch. Maybe it's your heart rate. Well, now that I've set that, it's going to show me the time, 4:33, but right above it, it will show my heart rate. Now, if I long press again, long press on the watch, I can change that data by going to customize, swipe left to go to compilation, tap on it, and let's make that something else. Maybe we want it to be our step count. Cool. Hit the home button, and now it's showing our step count right above the minutes. If you tap where it says the step count, it'll take you right to that app and give you more data. So I can actually scroll through and see more information about how my steps are going. So that is a very brief run through of how to change the watch face. Now, if you do it from the phone, we're going to go back to the wearable app. You have a lot more options of things that you can do. There are only so many watch faces that are loaded on the watch when you first set it up. However, if you go into the app and you go to watch faces, this will give you a much larger library of options. So there's so many watch faces I can pick from by just scrolling through here. And you can also scroll left to see more. Let's say you like this one right here. Simply tap on it and tap allow and install. It'll take a few seconds for it to download, and then we'll add it to the watch. Now, it's still loading. We can see the little bubble going around. So I can keep scrolling down this list. When it's finished, it's going to show up at the top. This is where I'll see all the watch faces that I have selected to be added to the watch. Okay, I'm going to swipe up, keep swiping up here, and that's our bottom. Now, let's go back to that watch face that we just installed. It looks like it did not add to the top. I was pretty sure that that's how it works, but I guess it doesn't. So here it is right here. I'm going to tap on it again. And guess what? Tapping it a second time added it up here to my favorites and has now changed the watch face on the main watch, which is great. And as I long press, I can then begin to make different customizations. Every watch has a different set of customizations available. That's why you have to go into each one and see, okay, what colors are available? What options are available? What actually can I change? And then you go in and make the changes. So now, one other cool thing I want to show you when it comes to, actually, I'm going to show you two more cool things. So one is that if you swipe up and you go to this section, which is photos, you can actually select your own picture to be the wallpaper of the watch. Maybe you have a really cute picture of your dog or a really cute picture of you and your family, and you want that to be your watch face. You would first need to go to photos and select the photos watch face. Now, if you do that, you can then link it with your phone, and then you can access your gallery to be able to change the photo that will show up. Let me show you how it works. I'm going to tap it again. Now that it is downloaded, it's going to change the watch face. I'm going to long press on the watch face, go to customize, and I need to allow the watch to access the photos on my device. So I'm going to tap allow and then tap on the button right there. Go to pictures, tap add on phone. Then I have to give it permission, hit allow all, and then hit the back button. Now I'm going to come to the top, and for the watch face, you'll see a little blue pin. If you tap on the blue pin, this takes you to the watch face, and here you can first select how you want the time to show up on it. So I can change it, and there's all these cool configurations of how the time will show. That was pretty cool. Next, I'm going to go to background, photos or pictures, excuse me, and then plus, go to gallery. And here I can select a wallpaper I want to use. I'm going to pick this one from a recent camping trip. Hit done. Here I can adjust the brightness and make all kind of other adjustments. I'm going to just keep it the way it is. Give it a few seconds. And now this, let's hit save. And now if we go to the home button, this is our new background and watch face. So that's a much more advanced way to change the watch face to specifically customize it to what you want to see. All right. And there's two other photo options. If you pick one of these two, you can then put your picture on that style. I'm going to switch back to this one because I kind of like this one. This one's pretty cool. The last thing I want to show you is how to download new watch faces, because there are maybe 50 to 100 you'll see in this section. But if you scroll over to the bottom, there's an option that says more watch faces on Google Play. We're going to tap there. And here you can download watch faces from the Google Play Store. Some are free, some are paid. So you just want to pay attention because not all of them are free.